Welcome back to ItsClassyJazzy channel. Want to learn how to highlight and contour? Just keep watching. So I'm starting off with a moisturizing bare face. Then about to apply my Maybelline Superstay foundation with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm applying my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer to highlight my T-zone. I am doing a bright highlight because I want my face super snatched. I'm going to blend out my concealer with my beauty blender I use to apply my foundation. To set my concealer, I'm using my Fit Me finishing powder to keep the concealer in place with my damp beauty blender. I'm going to bronze my face and put it below my cheekbone, carve out my jawline, the perimeter of my face, and the sides of my nose. Bronzing warms up your skin and gives it a sun-kissed look depending on how much you put on. Afterwards, I'll be applying contour. I'll be placing it on the same areas where I bronzed. Contour is when you place a color darker than your complexion onto your skin to sculpt out your features to give an illusion of a slimmer face, meaning bye-bye baby face. Time for blush. To do our eyebrows, I'm going to use a dark ashy brown eyeshadow. I'm applying the most product on the tail of the brow and less product to the front of the brow, and blending it all out seamlessly with a spoolie. Next, it's time to carve out the bottom of our brows to give it a clean look. For this step, you need a concealer that's lighter than your complexion so you can highlight your brow bone. Instead of blending out the concealer with your brush, I realized using your finger makes it look even more natural. Later on, I'll be setting it with eyeshadow of a similar color. To give my eyes more dimension, I am going to bronze and contour my outer corner and my crease. To set my face, I use water because I want my makeup to look skin-like and not powdery. After that, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. And last but not least, I'm going to highlight my face to add more dimension and an instant facelift. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette and some dip to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, the highest point of my cheekbone, chin, my cupid's bow, and my forehead. And that is all, loves. Thank you all for watching another one of my makeup tutorials and how I highlight and contour. I hope I look snatched to the balls, okay? You see that? You see that? It's a whole snack. If you know somebody that needs some help in makeup, you already know I got you, boo. So you might as well like, comment, subscribe, and share to your mama, your daddy, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your crazy little dog that be running across the street, the crazy cat that just be running. Tell everybody, the mailman, the mailwoman, your grandma, your grandpa. Just tell everyone. Because you know why? You know why? I think you know why. Wait, hold on. Did I really know why? Oh, I think somebody said it. Yes, hunties, because we are lit. And don't you ever forget it. And I'll see you next time on It's Classy Jazzy channel. Love you all. Bye.